what's your full name?
My full name is Omar Sharif.
And where are you from?
I am from Noakhali at Sonaimuri Thana, which is the most beautiful district in our country.
How do you spend your free time?
I usually spend my free time with reading, practicing English, and when I get free time, I go outside for watching a movie, sometimes visiting Cox's Bazar, beautiful places.
So when did you go to Cox's Bazar? This year or last year?
Last year, I went Cox's Bazar.
And how do you spend your time?
It was enjoyable.
So do you have any best friend?
I have many friends, but I have no best friends.
Are you looking for a best friend?
Yeah, if I get sometimes which is like me who understand me, and I will definitely make a best friend.
Do you think you are improving day by day?
Yes, sir. Obviously, I am improving my speaking level.
Okay, what's your future plan?
My future plan is I want to be a good freelancer.
So do you have any plan to go abroad for your higher study?
Yes, I have plan to go Europe.
Very soon.
Yes, sir. Very soon.
Very soon. Which country would you like to go?
I would like to go New Zealand.
Are you married?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many kids do you have?
I have two kids, small.
Okay, right now you are spending time at Rahat English here.
Yes.
And you are a student of residential course. And what will you say about your spoken course?
Yes, it is very important for me. And before coming Rahat English here, English was just a subject for me. And now it's very important for me. And now it's Rahat English here environment is very fantastic. At from the morning we wake up and to the sleep, English surrounded me, and we can't talk in Bangla, and we have all the time we have to practice English. There is a beautiful picture in front of me. This picture shows me the many people is standing in front of a tea stall, and a grandfather is reading newspaper, and beside him a young man uh, is taking tea, and he also reading with him, and a small boys serve teas as their customers. uh, the tea seller is pouring tea, and behind him a lady with red saris, a old man and a young man sitting on the table, and behind also two men, they are also having tea, and left man is raise his hand, and I think they are enjoying their tea moment. And behind the lot many building, and they are very smiling face, within smiling face. I think they are very enjoying this moment. That's all.
Thank you.